Ano ba talaga ito?
Was that kiss from me? Was that kiss she blowing for me? Oh my. Come here. Brr, bah. Yo, my God, bro. What is up, my people? So I'm back again with another beautiful reaction. Guys, look. You guys shown so much support at my first reaction. 300 of y'all like my reaction and a lot of suggested videos, right? But owning, shout out to you, my bro. So I'll be checking out this video. It's called BINI Salamin official music video. Look, I've known this female just like for a day, and I'm loving her energy. Her energy, it's so good, bro. In fact, I am having a crush on this female. Her personality, her looks, her dressing, bro. Everything that female does, it's on point, my G. And this led me to go back to do some more reactions on her older videos. So that led me to this with also a suggested comment, right? So brace yourself for this reaction. And remember, guys, I'm from Jamaica, and a lot of you all mentioned that you all know Bob Marley, which you all are legend, bro. Once you're a fan of Bob Marley, you all are legends, bro. That man is a very, very international, huge impact in Jamaica. It's crazy to know, guys. So most of y'all are from the Philippines, which this is where Bean is from, the Philippines. So I've encountered a lot of Filipinos, bro, and every one of those individuals I've encountered are so talented, right? So without further ado, people, let's take a walk. Let's see what's up. Guys, look, I really do like these female, right? They are literally beautiful, right? And their videos are also colorful. So still of me, I didn't highlight the beautification of the video in my previous reaction, but regardless of that, bro, the videos are freaking beautiful, bro. And I have to give them the compliments for that, my G. Bro, look, I love to sit and watch her, right? Like, I love to sit and observe her a lot because the way how she's cute and adorable, bro, I would like to just grab her, squeeze her tightly, and say, hey, baby, you're so freaking gorgeous. Oh my, you make a man stands. Whoa, bro, dog. Yo, their surroundings are like animation. And I do like animated videos. I do appreciate the animations, bro, because I'm a big fan of animations. And once I see a female who loves animation so much, trust me, I'll gradually accept her even more, bro. I'm a big nerd of animations. Brr, 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 rah, bah, bah. Oh my god, bro. The dance moves are freaking incredible, bro. Like, what the bro? Oh my god, bro. Like, I wish I was there. Ah, yo, if I was there, I would be like so stalking, bro. I mean, like, bro, no offense, but I would love to stalk these female if I was there, bro. I mean, like, dog, they are so gorgeous. Yo, dog, yo, trust me, this is phenomenal. wow. Whoa. I'm ready to accept them as my girlfriend, bro. As my wives. If Solomon can have many wives, then why shouldn't I? Each of them would be my wives, bro. Trust me. This is so dope. Yes, still it's gorgeous. Yo, them voices, bro, friggin' good. Their movements, their bodies, everything, bro. It's acceptable in my sight. Oh my. Yo, look, guys, this was incredible. If you guys have any more suggestion, look, I'm in love. I'm having a serious crush right now. I gotta tell my girlfriend that, babe, look, I'm moving over to Philippines because I've seen some female that I have some crush on. She's gonna be vexed, like totally vexed, but I don't care, bro. I have to just put that aside and say, hey, fuck that, man. I gotta go to these females. Look, guys, if you guys enjoy this reaction, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your suggested videos. And if you guys do have any more suggestions that you guys would like me to check out, please feel free to drop them. I'll be happy to give my 2 cents on it. I'll see you guys in the next round.